Good morning, friends. This is Miss Ryan, and I'm coming to you today to help you with strategies for adding with regrouping. In class, we've learned at least 3 strategies for solving addition with regrouping problems. So let's take a look at those 3. The first one is the standard algorithm. So we know that this is a basic adding technique where we add starting in the ones place. So 5 plus 6 equals 11, but we know we can't put 11 down underneath the 5 and the 6. So we need to put down the 1 and carry the 1, which is actually a 10, right? Because we know 5 plus 6 equals 11, and 11 is 10 plus the 1. So now we're in the tens place, and we can add 1 10 plus 3 tens plus 4 tens, and that gives us 8 tens. Next, we come over to the hundreds place, and we add 6 plus 1, and we get 7. So our answer to the problem 635 plus 146 is 781. The second way that we've learned to solve adding with regrouping problems is by drawing a picture. So as you can see here, I already have drawn my 635. I have 6 hundreds, 3 tens, and 5 ones. Down below, I've drawn my 146. I have 100, 4 tens, and 6 ones. And so if I start in the ones place, which is where you should always start, I'm going to count up the number of units I have in my picture. So I have 5 here, plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so because I have more than 10 units, I can bundle 10 units and turn it into a rod. Okay, so now we have 1 unit left over by itself. As we go over to the tens, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus the 1 we added. So now we have 8 tens. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down. And then as we count our hundreds, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as you see, our answers for our standard algorithm and draw a picture are the same. The last strategy we learned on how to solve an addition problem with regrouping is by using expanded form. Yesterday, I gave you a brief tutorial on how to break numbers up into expanded form, and so if you've forgotten, feel free to refer back to yesterday's video. But if you haven't, then you know that 635 in expanded form is 600 plus 30 plus 5. Similarly, with 146, we break it into expanded form by writing 100 plus 40 plus 6, and then we simply add. So 5 plus 6 is 11, and for expanded form, we're going to go ahead and put 11 on the bottom line. 30 plus 40, well, if you don't know what 30 plus 40 is, you know what 3 plus 4 is. 3 plus 4 is 7, so I'm just going to bring my 0 down, add my 2 zeros, put another plus sign, and then 600 plus 100. Similarly, like the 30 and the 40, we can think about, oh, I don't know what 600 plus 100 is, but I know what 6 plus 1 is, and that's 7. So 600 plus 100 is 700. Then I take all 3 of my numbers below and I add those together. Now this does involve a couple more steps, but if you can do it this way, it really shows that you have mastered the skill. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 7 plus 0 plus 0 is 7. Got it? I hope you all are successful. Happy learning.